Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Kia Stonic. Now of course this is a 1 litre T-GDi, and as you can see around the front you do get your gloss black accents on the front headlights, on the front fog lights, sorry. You do also then get these brilliant 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern, as this car has been very well maintained throughout its life. Coming round to the rear, we've got 4 rear parking sensors. We've then also got a reversing camera just up at the top there, above where the registration would go. You've then got plenty of room in the tailgate. You have got a multi-level boot floor, which when it is on the upper level will allow the seats to fold perfectly flat with the boot floor. Then coming out and around to the rear alloy just here now. As you've probably already noticed as well, you do also get the roof rails along the top with the gloss black roof. You've then got full leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom, full electric windows all round, but only the driver's is automatic. You do also have keyless entry as well. You've then also got your automatic gearbox in the middle. You've got heated front seats, heated steering wheel, parking sensors off as well. You can also turn the auto stop start off as well. You've got your climate control in the middle, and then we come up to your touchscreen display. This does have your various radio bands just here. You've then got your various radio media sources as well, and you've also got your built-in satellite navigation just here. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio, your volume, track select, Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. On the right hand side we have got your cruise control. As you can see there, you can choose between your cruise control and speed limiter. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, but as you can see this car has only done 28,506 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Stonic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.